this connector to the relevant BO type. So this screen is so let me try this. Okay, let's wait. So it does take time. Every step in this configuration will take like generation of the data model, SMT update, the creation of the material connector. So all these steps within the search connector process does take some time for updates. So once this connector gets built and the assignment of the BO type is done, then again we need to go back to the modular and follow the same steps of response field mapping and the request field mapping. So from within the cockpit we can using that hyperlink for modular, we can enter the modular and we can do the mapping. So again this will depend on whether the mapping is required or not, because sometimes in template the fields are already added. So in that case we don't need to follow all the steps within the modular. But if we see that certain G fields are not there within the connector, so then we have to use the modular to actually do the field mapping within the connector, which is basically the selection of the request field and the selection of the response fields. So and then once those modular activities are done, so let me do a separate login in the interest of, so let me again so just to show you, I mean we in the another screen the system is executing this. We are into create search object template connector. Now the next subsequent step would be to assign, like here you see the BO type, assignment to the object type, assignment to the software component that we have created, and then we define this as root. So in a standard MDG we find that the BO type is already defined and we need to build our own search application. Then the standard object type MDG material connector has to be deleted. So we need to delete all the corresponding connectors and create our own connector using the steps that we have seen. So here we built the MDG underscore material connector, and in a subsequent step we will then do the assignment. And after the assignment we will then jump into the cockpit and either the cockpit or the modular, and through the cockpit and modular we launch this application. Select your application, select your software component, this one ZEM, and then navigate through this hierarchy tree structure, select the connector, and then after, so let's say if we navigate, so these are the same steps. We will navigate back to the connector and then so if any enhancement is to be done, then we have to get into the edit mode and make the corresponding changes into the